Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials in place. Power on the TV and make sure your router is online. If your TV lacks built-in Wi-Fi, attach the approved dongle and let the TV detect it. Once the TV shows network scanning, select your SSID and enter the exact password. This authenticates the device to your network. Make sure to use the 4 GHz band for distance and 5 GHz for speed when available, because choosing the right band affects stability and performance. Once connected to Wi-Fi, navigate to network settings and verify IP and DNS assignment. Automatic DHCP is simplest and usually works. Then update the TV firmware and the streaming apps to ensure compatibility and security. Outdated software causes playback problems. After updates, sign into your streaming services. Keep your credentials ready. Make sure app permissions like location and network access are allowed so content discovery and casting features function. If you plan to cast, enable Miracast or AirPlay in the TV's settings now. You finish by optimizing performance and handling common failures. Run a playback test at 720p to check buffering and latency, because that tells you if bandwidth is sufficient. If buffering occurs, reboot the router and TV, move the router closer, or switch bands to reduce interference. For persistent instability, plug the TV into Ethernet. Wired connections eliminate Wi-Fi variability. If problems remain, note the exact error messages and firmware versions before contacting support. This accelerates diagnosis and helps you get a solution faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.